Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Colette from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line for the top of her head and turn it back down on the left side right there. I'm gonna turn it outwards on the left side with a curved line. Turn it downwards, another curved line below that, turn it downwards again, and going back to the upper point here, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally downwards, turn it outwards at this lower point, sharp turn back into the right, and turn it upwards diagonally all the way to that point. And from the side of that curved line, I'm going to draw another curved line downwards to the right, semicircle turn at that corner, turn it upwards, sharp turn back to the left at this upper point, and turn it diagonally upwards. And for this line, I'm going to extend it downwards to the side of that hair. On top of her head on the right side, I'm gonna trace the same curved line as her head at that corner right there. And on the right side of that curved line, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at that corner. And above that, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards, turn it sideways to the left diagonally. Now for the shape of her head, I'm going to take this point at the side of her hair and draw a diagonal curved line downwards. Semicircle turn at the side of her face right there, diagonally to the chin. And on the left side, I'm going to draw another diagonal curved line upwards to the left. On the right side of her face, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally upwards and turn it up all the way to that piece of hair at the side right there. Now for her eyes, I'm going to take this point off center and draw a curved line upwards, diagonally, semicircle turn back down at the outer corner of the eye, and I'm going to thicken the middle point of that curved line. And for the eyelash on the upper right corner of the eye, I'm going to draw a curved line outwards, sharp turn back inwards on the right side, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. For the lower line of her eye, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line at this corner, and I'm gonna thicken the middle point of that line. And for her pupil, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at the left corner inside of her eye, and we're gonna make a really thin oval shape for her pupil. For her eyebrow, on the upper left corner of that eye, I'm going to draw a triangle shape right there, and I'm going to fill that in with black color. Now for her nose, I'm going to take this point on the left of her eye and draw a curved line across, and from the same point of the nose, I'm going to draw another curved line and turn it further down in the middle point right there and turn it back up on the right side. Below the nose, I'm going to draw her mouth with a curved line across, and from the same point at the side, I'm going to draw another curved line and turn it further down in the middle point and turn it back up to the corner of the mouth. From the middle point of the mouth at this upper corner, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards, diagonal turn upwards on the left side, turn it back down, and I'm gonna mirror the whole thing on the right side right there. Now below the head, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line across and turn it downwards at the side. Another line across below that, and I'm gonna leave a gap at that corner. And at that gap, I'm gonna draw a circular shape, and inside of that, I'm gonna draw another circular shape. On the left side here, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, turn it sideways to the right, all the way to her elbow point, semicircle turn at the elbow point back to the left, curve line across to the left, turn it back upwards with a semicircle turn, and semicircle turn back to the right at this upper corner. Now going back to the book in her hand, I'm going to draw a line down on the right side right there, and a diagonal line across back to the left at this lower point right here, a line down at this corner, and another one at the side of that. Now below her sleeve, I'm going to draw a line downwards at this corner and a similar line on the right side. Below that, I'm going to draw a circular shape right there, and another circular shape from the side of that line right there, circling around the smaller circle. And for the other sleeve, I'm going to draw a circular line downwards from the elbow point right there, turn it to the left at this lower point, extend it to the left and turn it upwards, a rectangular shape at this corner, and below that I'm going to draw a line down and sideways, and at this top point I'm going to mirror the same shape as well, and on the left side of that I'm going to draw a curved line right there and a similar one at this upper point, turn it downwards at the side. Now for her shoulder, I'm going to draw a circular line at that corner, turn it back down on the right side, a curved line across to her neck, and at her neck there I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line, turn it downwards right there, and copy the same shape again at this inner corner. Below her arm on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, turn it back slightly inwards at this lower point, a curved line across at the side of that, and turn it sideways towards the arm. Below that line, I'm going to draw another curved line downwards for the pants, and I'm going to draw another curved line diagonally out to the side, turn it downwards right there, and a curved line across at this lower point, another curved line up from that curved line diagonally to the knee, semicircle turn at the knee and turn it upwards. And at the outer corner of that leg, I'm gonna trace the same line at the side here, and I'm gonna trace that line again at this inner point. And for the top of her boots, I'm gonna draw an oval shape from the back, turn it to the front right there, and from the sides of that oval I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, and for the front point as well, a diagonal curved line at the front here, turn it downwards, and from the back point I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the front point of the shoe. Slightly above that, I'm gonna draw another similar line across. And for her right leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line down towards the knee right there. I'm gonna do the same thing for the outer line of the leg. Another curved line below that, slightly flare it out, turn it back in towards the ankle point, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the inner line on the left right there. An oval shape for the top of her boots right there, and another similar oval shape at this outer corner, and from the side of that I'm gonna draw a line downwards on both the left and right, turn it slightly inwards and flare it back out at this lower point, curved line across at the base of the shoe right there, and another similar curved line across at this upper point. Now around her ankle point, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at the middle point right there. On the right side of her legs, I'm gonna trace this line along the side. Now below her lower arm, I'm gonna draw a line down at that corner and another one at this outer corner, and a circular shape at this lower point. And I'm gonna draw another circular shape surrounding that smaller one at this outer corner right there. And along her sleeve, I'm gonna draw some curved line across right there, and for this sleeve at that point and at that corner. At the side of the book on the right, I'm gonna draw a line down at that corner, a rectangular shape at this point, and a circular line above it. Turn it downwards at the outer corner. And for her hair on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point right there. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!